With Filezilla installed, open the program by clicking on the shortcut icon that was created during installation. The Filezilla interface is divided into different sections. On the left side, we can see the files and folders on our local computer. This makes it easy to browse for specific files that we need to upload to our server. Since we haven't established a connection to our production server yet, the area on the top and the right side will be blank. We'll go over these in just a moment. At the top of the interface, we have our main menu. We also have a set of shortcut icons and a quick connect bar. The first step in uploading a file or folder to our production server is to create a connection configuration. To do so, click the File menu and select Site Manager. The Site Manager allows us to store multiple connection configurations. This is useful if you work with many different websites stored on different servers. You can see here that we have 6 different configurations set up. If this is your first time working with Filezilla, you won't have any yet. To create a connection, click on the New Site button. Now give your connection a name relevant to the server you're connecting to. That'll help keep your entries organized. Let's go ahead and call this My Linode. On the right-hand side, we need to configure some parameters pertaining to this connection. First, we need to provide the host name. This is the IP address for the server. To get your IP address, log into your Linode account and copy the IP address corresponding to the My Linode server we created earlier. Now paste it into the host text field. Make sure you remove any unnecessary spacing from pasting. Leave the port empty, so Filezilla will just use the default FTP port. Set the protocol to Sftp. The SSH file transfer protocol is much more secure than the regular file transfer protocol. For logon type, select key file. You'll recall that earlier in the course, we generated a key pair to establish an SSH connection to our production server using PuTTY or Terminal if you're on a Mac. We'll need to load the private key, which we saved on our desktop. So click the Browse button, and on your desktop, open the Keys folder and load the private.ppk file. Once that's loaded, type Bob for the username, since that's the only user we set up on our server. With our configuration settings complete, we can now connect to the server. To do so, just click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to enter your passphrase. Remember, we set this up when we created our key pair earlier in the course. So enter your passphrase and press OK.